Okay, so it's been a really crazy week. I started at my birthday. Yeah, Monday was my birthday. It started out really great. And then Josh came home and he was complaining of, just little stuffy nose or whatever. I just assumed it was allergies. On Tuesday, he went to school, came home, and that's when we noticed that he was extremely congested and complaining of a sore throat. So, of course, I'm always alert. And then I said, let me just test this baby and see if he has COVID. I didn't think he would, but because I guess he's at school, he can get it. But of course, he tested positive for COVID. So all week long, I've been dealing with trying to take care of a kid who doesn't want to stay isolated in his room. We're running around here with masks, spraying down, wiping down, mask, gloves. It's just no fun. But anyhow, I wanted to try to go ahead and get into this video because there's a product that I want to show to you guys that I recently received. So I'll talk a little bit about that. Then I'm gonna go ahead really quick, do some makeup, and then fluff my hair out. But in the meantime, I'm gonna let you watch a video on this product that I've been dying to try. I did a pre-order on it. So I'm gonna let you guys check out this part of the video.
Hey guys, okay, so I wanted to come on today and do this video, and it's just really kind of impromptu, I guess, but I wanted to let you guys know that I got my hands on the Melanin, it's the Plumping Deep Conditioner. So I was really excited to get, this product, I did a pre-order on it, and it took forever to get here. I guess they had issues with shipping and all this other kind of madness, but I think I placed my order in April and I just got it last week. So, but I guess things happen. She was, and if you guys don't know who the owner of Melanin Haircare is, it's Whitney White. She's Natural 85. I use all of her products, y'all. I can't lie. I use them all, I have pretty much everything that she has. I have the full line. I now have the full line. And she was nice enough to come on several times, send personal emails to people that pre-ordered to let them know that there were issues, but they were working really hard to get the product out. So in the order that I received, like I said, I received the Plumping Deep Conditioner. And as a gift, I guess, for being patient and for being apologetic about the delay, she included one of her scarves. So this is the one that I received. This one. I'm sorry, I just ran downstairs to get the scarf so you guys can see it. And these little lollipops. So, but that's what I received in my packet. And so today I get to try out the Plumping Deep Conditioner. So I've really been looking forward to it. And we're gonna give it a shot. So first, I'm gonna go ahead, shampoo, deep condition, leave-in condition, elongate cream along with the oil. So this is gonna be a whole line of Melanin Haircare today, all right?
Okay, real quick, I'm gonna interrupt. So I just finished doing my face, my skincare, all that good stuff. So yeah, still using, my City Beauty. I really like their products. Their stuff is really good. And so I've been using pretty much the whole line, and I'm pleased. I am. So use the cleanser, my under eye recovery, and my eye revive firming serums. Those two, and EvenSkyn reached out to me, and they wanted me to try it's like a medical grade, the firming device. So I've been using these guys probably for about the last 6 weeks or so. So I have the Lumo, which is this device here. I'll get into that in another video. I'm using that, and I want to show you guys that device. And I've also used the Venus, which is for the eye area. This week in particular is going to not be any, this is not going to be the proof of this device, because I've been dealing with a sick kid and I haven't really done anything this week at all. So my skin is just having such a hard time, and I'm just taking the time today to pamper it. But I want to get into these two devices in another video, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what I was using or what I have been using, and I'm really excited about it. Back to the video.
Okay, so my hair's in 2 puffs, and so we're gonna take it down. And just so you guys know, yes, it's September. I did a little cut. So it's cut, and I'm glad for it. And I'm just gonna jump in the shower. And yeah, get with it. Okay guys, so I'm washed. Let me take this off. And it said it's best to do it in sections. So.
Okay guys, so the deep conditioner, the Plumping Deep Conditioner, yes, it's lightweight, and it has an amazing like lemongrass smell to it. It's very refreshing, not too overpowering. It claims to reduce frizz, strengthen and repair, and moisturize. Some of those key ingredients: hyaluronic acid, bamboo extract, and biotin. Obviously, we know those are some great products. How do I think it did with my hair? I think it did really well. My hair is naturally frizzy. It is, oh gosh, it's non porous. It does not want to drink up anything. And I did notice that after letting it sit, my hair did seem to be not quite as frizzy as it is in this state. And the curls seemed to be a little bit more, a little bit more plumper. So obviously I have lots to do with my hair, trying to get it back on track. But overall, I think it's a really great product. Okay, guys, so here we are today. It's me and the hair. No wig, no clip-ins, just me and the hair. So, but yeah, so the clip that you guys just saw was me using this Melanin. Yeah, it's their Plumping Deep Conditioner. And yeah, it's amazing. It's a great leave-in conditioner, and I am so glad that I'm able to be able to use the full line on my hair. So like I told you guys before, I did do a cut. I did it myself, and just kind of got rid of some of the um, some of those little nasty ends and so forth. I did a really nice protein treatment, and because I really needed that. And honestly, to tell you the truth, just based on what it looks like today, it really needed that. Still, I think because over the past, I want to say maybe couple 3 months or so, I did a lot of just putting my hair up in a top knot, and for a while I had blow dried my hair, because I think when I did the clips video, my hair had been blow dried, and so I was doing not really straight styles, but just stretching it out a lot more so I could put it up in a top knot, or be able to braid it, braids or twists going back, just for convenience. And I hadn't done a lot of styles like this, so it had just been beat up and battered, and it's really nice to be able to just kind of get back to taking good care of it. So it really needs some tender loving care, because I hadn't really been doing too good with it. But I did do a really good protein treatment, and of course, use my Melanin Haircare products to maintenance my hair. And that's pretty much it. So moving forward, just every week, I think I'm just going to either, if it's not a full-blown wash, it'll be me just giving it a really nice hydration bath with water. Just hydration, hydration, hydration. And I know a lot of you guys have been saying, oh, we miss your hair, we miss your hair. Well, here she is. She is here. She's a little fragile, but she's here. And so I'm gonna start taking better care of her, and we'll see what happens. But anyhow, thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.